Hey guys, welcome to Bridie Bakes. So today's video isn't the most fun one, but it is super important, especially if you have a food or cake business, and that is cleaning and sanitizing. So I'm going to be talking about what they are and what's the difference, and why it's so important that you know how to do them properly. So let's get started with cleaning. Cleaning is when we remove any dirt and grease and food scraps, so basically anything visible. So when you wash your dishes and wipe down your benches, this is cleaning, and we usually use some nice hot water and a detergent for it. Now detergents are important because they are surfactants, which means that part of them is hydrophilic and absolutely loves and attracts to water, and the other part is hydrophobic and it's got a bit of a thing for fats and oils. So usually water and oil don't mix, which is why using just water often won't clean things properly. But once you add in your detergent, your surfactant, it basically grabs the fats and oils off your dirty dishes and forces them to come and join in with the water around it. So next up is sanitizing. And to sanitize something, it actually has to be clean first, which seems a bit weird, right? Like it's already clean. But sanitizing focuses on destroying the microorganisms, so all the bacteria and things that we can't see. So there's a few different ways that you can go about sanitizing. The first one is using heat, which is how a lot of dishwashers sanitize. They use really hot water to kill the germs. You can also use bleach and commercial sanitizers, which use chlorine to kill the bacteria. So we dilute these with water, and the ratio depends on a few different things, including how long your utensils are coming into contact with the water, as well as the temperature of the water. So if it's at a high heat already, it's already helping to kill the bacteria, so you don't need as much of this solution. You can also use alcohol, but it has to be up at about 70%, so you can't just go grabbing your closest bottle of anything. But the thing about these sanitizers is that they only kill the bacteria that they can actually come into contact with, which is why cleaning is so important, because if there's any food scraps or anything left, it gives the bacteria a little bit of a barrier and something to hide behind. Cleaning and sanitizing your benches and equipment is one major step towards making sure that your food is safe and delicious. When bacteria aren't destroyed, they can grow super quickly in the right environment, which can then be transferred to your food while you're cooking. This can cause food spoilage, where your goodies aren't gonna look, taste, and smell as good as they should, and also food poisoning, where it actually makes the food dangerous to eat and can make people really sick. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of proper cleaning and sanitizing, and maybe it'll even make the dishes more fun if you actually understand what's happening. Anyway, chuck us a like if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe to Bridie Bakes for new and hopefully more exciting videos.